Marble countertops and floors are a beautiful upgrade to the home, but they have a reputation for being high maintenance. Don't give up on your dreams of natural marble just yet. Here are expert tips for keeping your marble looking good as new. A proper sealant application to the marble helps preserve the look and feel of natural stone from the start. F&D experts recommend Laticrete Stone Tech Heavy Duty Sealer. It's water-based for the health of your home, especially around food preparation in the kitchen. Follow up periodically with the Laticrete Revitalizer Cleaner and Protector to give a boost to your marble's luster. Acidic liquids cause etching, a change in the marble's texture and finish due to acidic erosion. Avoid citrus juices, vinegar, and acidic cleaners. Time is of the essence when it comes to marble. Wipe up a spill as soon as it happens, and always clean countertops after cooking. Then use a daily solution of gentle, non-citrus scented dish soap combined with a spray bottle of warm water. Wipe the soap residue with a hot, wet dishcloth. Lastly, buff dry and remember to use sponges and towels that are soft and non-abrasive to preserve your countertop finish and sealer. We love the Goldblatt microfiber polishing sponge because of its absorbency and softness. For peskier stains like wine and coffee, the popular hack is a simple and surprising combination of flour and water. Create a paste of flour and soapy water and paint it onto the marble's surface. Cover with cellophane cling wrap overnight. In the morning, remove the paste with a wet sponge. Finally, reseal to preserve the marble. Use these tips through the years to preserve the beauty of your home's marble. It's a timeless and durable material that has stylish benefits and complements many decorative tile backsplashes. If you're considering marble countertops, visit the online countertops page for custom and prefabricated stone options.